Okay, hello guys, welcome to Computative, and today this is Dave, this side in front of you, and we'll be like starting the video on best programming language to learn first. So, which is the best programming language to learn first? Now, everyone asks me that which is the best programming language we should learn, which it is. We don't know which it is. Like everyone is like confused that either I should learn C++ or either I should learn Java or either I should learn Python or either whatever. Like someone or someone has also asked me like should I learn JavaScript or should I like learn PHP or should I learn HTML or should I learn CSS? So of course these are not like a pure, we can say, a programming language, but these are some development languages, and these are the programming languages. Now, which is the best programming language to learn at first, in my opinion? Now, if you have a lot of time, you can go with us with the best programming language, that is C. What we can say that C is the like the mother language of all. Every like other language has been generated by C itself. So if you have a lot of time, you can like start with C at first step itself, because it tells you the basics. It tells you the basics of all the things. So first importance is that it tells you the basics. The second important thing what it tells you is that it lets you understand the logic behind logic. So it will tell you the logic behind that. Like you don't have, there is like the like minimized predefined functions in C, because of which you have to like create every time. You have to create the functionalities, you have to create the functions. So that helps you a lot in order to like understand each and every functionalities. Now if you are like done with C, once you're done with C, then you can switch with C++, or you can like switch to Java. Now why C++ or Java? So of course both are of object oriented. They have the like the importance of oops inside that. So since they are object oriented programming, so that's the like the benefit of C++ and Java, and that is a must. If you want to like become a good programmer, you should have an object oriented programming knowledge. So C++ and Java is the like I prefer, like it's like very important. Now like some people are also used to ask me that which language is best for competitive programming. Now which language is best for competitive programming? Now everyone like uses different languages, isn't it? If someone uses like C++, someone uses Java, or someone uses Python. Like mostly I've seen the people using these three languages. Now which language I prefer the most? So the language which I prefer the most is C++, because I have seen that 85% people, 85% competitive programmer use C++, because it's a bit minimized program. Like the program's a bit minimized, not just minimized totally as Python, but of course like minimized than Java and all those stuffs. So C++ I prefer, like it's the one of the great language that I find fine. So C++ is quick to write. It has all the functionalities. It's an object-oriented programming, and it's like widely used by the competitive programmers because it lets you do the program in a bit fast way. Now you can also use Python, but Python has some limitations also, and it like breaks up the logical part, because almost many things are like direct. So you are using the things directly. So you are not having any practice regarding all those stuffs, like which to use and which not to use. Now, coming on to the other things. Now, is C++ so easy to learn? So of course, it will be. I will not say that it will be like for a beginner. It will be too much easy, but will be of course very easy if you are like doing the things in a systematic way. So just do the things in a systematic way, and if you're doing that, that will be like really helpful to you. Are you getting it? So just start doing. You can just watch any like website or any video tutorial. Just only one thing remember, like watch the all the contents full, like watch all the contents from one place full. So you have to watch the all the contents from one place full. You don't have to like take a bit from one and then take a bit from another. So that's not like proper thing way of doing the things. I don't find it like really, I find it like useless. So take one course or take one place and try to like understand each and everything. And if you want that I should like tell you about some particular language like C++, if you want a particular course on C++, I will be also like letting you help in that, and I will just generate all the possible like videos of each and every concepts of C++ from beginning till the end, and you can like do that. Now in this video, like I just wanted to discuss about all these things, that which language to choose. So these are some of the important things that you should know. Now next thing, what I will also like discuss about the development languages that I have told before, like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript or PHP. So these are like development languages. If you want to do web development, then you can like do that, isn't it? You can like use these languages. So now if you are not interested in competitive programming, or you are not interested in programming in that specific field, and you want to become a web developer, then you don't have to learn about those things. You directly start with these languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript itself. So start with these things and start doing the web development project. Start preparing that. Are you getting it? You don't have to like struggle to do all those stuffs of learning those particular programming languages. You start with the basic development programming languages itself. Another thing that I've like many people have asked me about this, that which language we are studying. Like if we have chosen a particular language, like we have chosen like C++, or we have chosen Java or Python or something like that, what should we do? Like should we like jump directly to the solving the problems, or should we like clear the concepts of ours? What should we do? So when you have like chosen any language, like if you have chosen C++, what should you do? So I will prefer you firstly try to like cover each and every topics of that. Are you getting it? So try to cover each and every topics of that. That means what? Like every topic, including everything: if else, then while, loops, functions, oops concepts, everything. Like everything. I'm just giving an example. You have to cover each and everything, including variables and all that also things. Variables, then declaration, everything. Like everything you have to cover each and everything. Don't miss any point, because if you are missing any point, you will not be able to do anything. Are you getting it? So you have to like go through each and everything. Never miss a bit of point in that. Try to cover each and everything, because unless you cover everything, you are not a good programmer. Once you have gone through all the videos, or all the concepts given on a particular website, or on a particular video tutorial, then only go for solving a programming problem. But of course, whilst doing these things, try to solve some problems also, like a small solution problems. I'm not telling you like directly go to competitive programming. Firstly try to do the basics, and then only go to that part. Like firstly you have to clear the basics. Like if someone says you like print a prime number, so you have to print a prime number in a given range. Okay, so what are you doing? Like you're trying to print a prime number in a given range. Now in normal basic pattern, it's a bit simple. Okay, it's a bit simple to do that. But when it's like when you come to competitive programming, or I will like directly write a short form, CP means competitive programming. So if you come to competitive programming, at that time what do you have to do? It will be a bit hard, not so hard, but a bit hard. Okay, so you have to like think a different solution for that. So firstly, when you have like done with that basic simple one, then only like you can easily do that simple, so that bit hard one. Else what will be your score? Like if you have done, like if you have not done this thing, your score for that CP program will be 0. Of course you will be like stuck in that. You will be stuck in between, and then you will go mad, isn't it? Of course, that's the thing that people are facing. Why the people are stopping that competitive programming? Because of this reason only, that they have started the competitive programming at one flow itself, and when they are not able to do that, they get stuck, and they like after that they feel depressed, and they stop doing that. So you don't do these things at all. Try to firstly clear your basic concepts, and then only move forward. Without clearing the basic concepts, never move forward. So firstly get clear to all the basic things of the particular language whichever you have taken, and then only go for the competitive programming part. Never go directly to the competitive programming part, else you will not be able to do the things. So that's the must. And then if you are going for a development language, you don't have to like go through any of the like these types of things. You don't like, it's not so much needed. Of course, if you want, you can learn some basics, and then you can go to that. But if you can, or you can also, like if you want just to make a project, or you want to make a website, you say that I just want to learn about website making, then you don't have to do that. Just directly, you can just directly go to that. Now the last thing that I will tell you is that keep on trying until you succeed. never miss all these stuffs. Okay, you get, because you have to know one thing is that no one will tell you. Okay, no one will tell you all these things. No one will tell you that you have to study. You have to study by yourself, isn't it? No one will like support you on all these things. The only the person who supports you is your mother or your father. They are the only person who are you supporting you from the younger age itself, isn't it? So of course they just want your benefit, that you should be happy in your future. So why to like do all these things? Try doing yourself. Try to learn more and more. Struggle for at least 1 to 2 days, because the more you struggle, the more the success will come nearer to you, isn't it? So try to do all these things so that you can like achieve each and everything in your life, and start from today itself. The time when you watch this video, start at the moment that itself, and try to cover all these things which I have told you. And if you are having any doubt, you can just like comment me down. If you want any video on any topic, you can just comment me down. I will just surely make that video. Okay, till that time, keep on studying, keep on coding, and keep doing well. Bye bye.